Hello everyone, welcome to I'll Sleep. In this video lesson, I'm gonna focus on body paragraphs in process diagram. Firstly, I'll discuss about the grammar needed for this task and then I'll cover step-by-step process how to write error-free body paragraphs. So let's get started. The very first tense that you have to use is present simple active. You might have seen this structure: subject, then verb's first form plus s or es form if subject is singular, right? And then object. For example, I would write workers crush the coffee beans. Here workers are doer who are doing action, that is crush, and coffee beans are the object, right? Okay, and the next tense required for this is present simple passive. See, some students feel scary when it comes to passive voice, but believe me, it's very simple one sentence form and its structure is like this. First you have to write the object, then you can write is or are, then verb's third form, or you could say past participle. See, I would write the same sentence as I have written above in passive voice, and it would be like this. Coffee beans are crushed by workers. Here coffee beans have been put in the beginning and then are is used followed by crushed third form crushed, and then doer is placed at the end. If you feel that your process is more important than the doer and that doer is a person, then remove it from the sentence. But if the doer is any device or equipment, then mention it in your sentence. For example, coffee beans are crushed by a crushing machine. Got it? Here crushing machine is a device, so we can include it in our sentence. And now the final one is present perfect passive. See, why do we need this? Actually, many times students have complained that in process diagram they can't cover the word limit. They feel that in this task information seems very limited, so that there is not a way to write 150 or more words. And I always recommend that this tense would help in increasing the word limit. So let's see how it works. See, its structure is like this. Object plus has or have with been plus verb's third form. Here been is very important, don't forget to include this. You can use once and when with present perfect passive to join two processes together. For example, coffee beans are crushed by a crushing machine, then hot water is added to it. See, these are two steps that we have written, right? Here almost 14 words are there that I have counted. Now, how can I increase my words range? Let's see. I would write coffee beans are crushed by a crushing machine. This is one step. Now I would use present perfect passive here. Once coffee beans have been crushed, then hot water is added to it. Here if you count the words, the word range has been increased to approximately 20, right? You can also check it out. Okay, now let's understand it in details. Here is a process diagram showing the brick production. I have already explained its introduction and overview part in my last video, and here I'm gonna explain how to write body paragraphs using these three sentence structures. See, here our first process is done by a digger. So I'll write here, initially the clay is dug up by a digger. Here initially is a sequencer. You can also call it a linking word. And this is a present simple passive structure I have used. Next I would write, and it is then put on the metal grid to be refined. Okay, next I would write following this. See, this is a linker and it acts as a after that, and you can use it for writing the next steps. Alright, so I would say following this, it falls onto a roller. Here you can see this is a present simple active tense because this clay itself falls, not any person or machine involved here, right? See, I have written 3 steps respectively so far. Now I would try to increase the word range by applying present perfect passive. Like once the refined clay has been rolled, then sand and water are added to it. See, we have written this step here and then repeat it here but in different structure. Now next we have to write this process. If you see it carefully, this is a single process but is done in 2 different ways. So for this, we use either with or here. Like this mixture is then either formed in molds or cut into brick-shaped pieces with the help of a wire cutter. Alright, next I would say when all the raw bricks have been shaped, then they are kept into a dry oven for 24 to 48 hours. See, again here we try to increase our word range by using present perfect passive with present simple passive, right? Okay, now rest of the part we will write into second body paragraph. Okay, here I would write once the bricks are dried, they are sent to the 2 kilns where they are heated at moderate 200 to 980 degrees Celsius to higher 870 to 1300 degrees Celsius temperature. After that, the finished bricks are placed into the cooling chamber for 48 to 72 hours to get normal temperature. Subsequently, these final bricks are packed and finally ready to be delivered at their destinations. So this is the end of our body paragraphs, and you can see we have used some connectors here initially, then following this, after that, subsequently to illustrate the whole process. The same you can use while writing the process diagram. I hope you found this lesson helpful. For more useful stuff, keep watching this space.